So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Helene, and you guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can do a easy, simple polygel nail design for beginners. It's really simple. I'm going to explain to you guys what I do step for step, so you guys beginners can go ahead and follow my step and also create this beautiful nail design. And before I go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, show me some love, and then come back and watch this video. Okay guys, look at my damaged nails. They are so damaged because I felt the nails down instead of soaking them, because you know I didn't want to soak them off. And now I'm using some alcohol and my cuticle pusher to push back the cuticles. And now I'm using this round bit to get at the cuticle area. And as I have told before in my videos, this is a bit that I've got in a package that I've got a long time ago from a nail file. And I'm just using it at the cuticle area to kind of push back the cuticle and also make it like a clean cuticle area. It also pushes back the cuticle and make it like as clean as possible. I don't know how to explain what it does, but it makes it clean. And because I have made a video recently and I've already cut my cuticles, I'm just getting some little old skin off with my cuticle nippers at the sides and at the cuticle area. And that what I'm going to do on all the nails, and then I will come back and explain you guys the next step. So because I wanted these nails to be extra long, I'm using two tips. I'm applying the coffin tip that I've got from Cakes. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. And I'm using also her stick-it glue to stick on the nails. And I'm applying two tips so you can see how long they are. And I've used these coffin tips because I want the square shape to be as narrow as I could get them, because I don't like wide nails. So that's why I'm using these coffin tips, because when I'm going to apply the polygel, it will be a little bit wider, so it will be the perfect shape, square shape that I would like to have the nails. And now I'm using my medium grit bit, my sanding band, to blend the tips into the natural nail. Now I'm applying 2 coats of my super bond, and as you guys know, I don't have my webshop anymore, but soon I will have my webshop back. And now I'm using this pink polygel from Gershon. I hope I'm spelling it right. And I like the consistency of this gel, polygel, because it's thick and it's not too sticky, it's not too runny. You can really mold it like you would like it to be. I just love that it's easy, and I think it's also easy for beginners, because when you have a polygel that runs everywhere and is too sticky, you can just get fed up with it and just, you know, don't like to do nails again. Or, you know, I know the drill because I was there too. I didn't really like polygel, but now I'm getting used to it, and this one is a really good polygel to start with. So I'm just molding it with my brush and also a little bit of alcohol instead of slip solution. I just like alcohol more than slip solution, and not too much, otherwise the alcohol will break the polygel down. So I'm just using a little bit of alcohol and molding it and applying it where I would like it to be. And I'm starting off first with polygel at the tip of the nail, so we can build the nail up and make that perfect apex. On the pinky, I'm doing 3 times. I'm applying polygel 3 times to build it up, but I will also show you how you can do it in 2 times. And before going with the second bead, I am going to flash cure every layer, so I know that the polygel is properly cured. So I have cured the part of the tip, and now when applying the part at the nail bed, I am also going to cure this one, and then I will go with my third bead and cure that after I'm done applying that. So after you apply every layer, just make sure you go ahead and cure that under your lamp, so so you can build it up better and build that apex easier for yourself. So I'm applying that over to the nail bed, to the free edge. I'm applying it to the cuticle area, but I'm applying it a little bit thinner at the cuticle area, so I can, so as a beginner you can just go ahead and build it up, so you can use small amounts. I have cured that, and now I'm going in again with a smaller bit at the cuticle area and smooth it down over to the free edge to create a beautiful apex. And I'm using the tip of the brush to get into the cuticle area to press to get a nice and clean cuticle area. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm just smoothing it as perfect as we can, because we don't like to foul, so we don't want to foul too much. So the application needs to be perfect, so we don't have to foul too much. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm repeating this step on all the nails. And yeah, on the ring finger I'm going to use only two balls, I mean 2 layers of polygel, but I'm using a bigger polygel amount the second time. That's why I don't have to go ahead with a third time. And yeah, I'm just doing the same thing on the ring finger as I've done on the pinky, but this time only 2 times, because I'm using more polygel at the second bead at the nail bed. Alright, I hope you understand me, you guys, but I will just leave you alone so you can see the footage, and the footage can explain you better what I'm doing. Oh, and don't forget to cure in between every layer that you have applied. So as you can see, I'm going in with a larger amount on the nail bed, and as you can see, I'm pressing really hard to get the polygel out. So you can see that the polygel is really stiff, but I like that. I like that about this polygel because it's not running all over to the cuticle area. So I just like this polygel. I will be using it more often. So I'm so sorry for interrupting your video, but I really want to take a moment to thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And if you're still watching but not subscribed yet, go ahead on the subscribe button. Let me see, somewhere here in the screen. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so you are the first one to know when I post the next time. And also, you guys, don't forget to like this video if you are liking this video so far. And if you're still watching, let me know by commenting a pink hearted emoji in the comment section below, so I know that you're still here watching with me creating some bump ass nails. And the word I'm going to teach you guys today from my language will be anochi, and anochi means night. And let's continue this video. I'm so sorry. So this is how the nails look after application, and the application only is just mesmerizing. I just like how they came out. And I'm using some alcohol and my manicure brush to get the tacky layer off. And now I'm using the medium grit bit to smooth down the nails, and normally they will just like build up in my nail bit, but this time it didn't. So I don't know what I did different, or it's just this polygel that don't get too tacky. I don't know. I just like this polygel, so I'm just filing it to smooth down the nails. And as you guys know, it's so difficult to file on camera, but I did my best. And when I'm done using this medium grit bit, I'm going in with my tapered bit at the cuticle area to smooth down the cuticles at the polygel at the cuticle area. So now I'm using my tapered bit to get into the cuticle area, and when I'm done using my tapered bit, I'm going in with my hand file to perfect the shape. So now I'm using my buffer to buff down the nails, and when I'm done doing that, I'm going in again with some alcohol and my manicure brush to clean the nails and get all the excess dust off. So this is how the nails look after filing, buffing and cleaning them. And next I'm using the Kupa Inc nails gel top coat to top off the nails. And when I'm done applying this, I'm curing the nails for 2 minutes under my lamp to make sure they are properly cured. And you guys comment in the comment section below to tell me if you had something, if you have learned something from my as a beginner from this video using polygel, and also what kind of videos would you like to see in my next videos, because I really want to make videos that you guys would love to see. So let me know in the comment section below. So yeah, you guys, let me know that you also think that these nails are just perfect. These nails are just perfect. I just love them. I'm really in love with nails. I like simple nails. Do you also like simple nails? Let me know in the comment section below. So hey guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet, and don't forget to like this video. It would really help my channel to grow. Thank you so much. It's for free. Also subscribing is also for free, so I would really appreciate it if you have liked this video. If you didn't like this video, I hope maybe you can go and watch other videos, and maybe you will like another video of mine. So yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching. Don't forget to share this video with everybody, and I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye bye.